99% of people who race never get to drive one of these. I'm Kyle Satenstein. Started drag racing when I was 8 years old, but nothing compared to one of these. We had this opportunity with Mew to sort of take my drag racing career to the next level. Here we are, Toronto Motorsports Park in Cayuga. We're here to successfully make 2 passes to qualify for my Top Fuel license. I'm here just driving for Mew for Top Fuel. Mew came to us and they wanted to partner up and get their name out there into the racing scene and show off their brand a little bit. I'm basically here just driving. I have no responsibility other than that. Maybe some behind the scenes logistics, but for the most part, don't have to work on the car. I just have to worry about keeping it straight and going fast. The first time I ever drove one of these was actually the first time I ever sat in it. No matter how much you prepare and think you know what you're doing, you really don't know shit until that thing starts. These cars do not want to go straight. On a good day, this car will go in mid 370s, 3.7 seconds in 1,000 feet at over 320, 330 miles an hour. To be honest, I never thought I would even see myself doing this right here. It's possible in 5 years that, I never get to drive one of these again, or in 5 years I could be a successful driver and we have big name sponsorship and, and we're out there winning races. So, but the lows are low, the highs are high. So if you can push through it, if you can manage it, if you can learn the right things, be less dependent on other people to run your program for you, the more self-sustaining of a program you can run, the better and the more successful you can be.
Take them up.